Unboxing. So I added some things for the house kama padlock kubwa, guys, to another video. My name is Sishi Esley. So I want to do some mini unboxing. I got a padlock here for 120 shillings. Okay, now for convention you get some things na bei ya wholesale. So I got this padlock, and then at the same shop I bought these four Ghanaian must go bag. 4 of them, kubwa na ndogo, at price ya 120 na 115. So I got set of 2. Mtaona kazi tafanya. I want to store some things using these ones. So hii ndio size ya moja, alafu hii ndio size ya kubwa. So they're like that. Acha nisirudishe zilikuwa because of storing them. Zikae hapo. Then you can know 80 bob at a different shop. Hapo tu Kamkunji. Now the big unboxing is here. This is a blender. Nilinunua hapo OTC Wholesale Mall kwa shop inaitwa Lumin Wholesale kama sijakosea. So let us do unboxing. Full jug 1.8 or 1.75 liters. Inakaa hivi. Hii ni grinder yake. It looks like that. So this is how it looks. Grinder yake, the jug. I want to blend some juice na hii sahi. So yeah. Hapo kando the grinder, alafu zile vitu za kusta put them there like that. There are two because inakuja ikiwa 3 in 1. So inakuja ikiwa 3 in 1. So hivi ndio inakaa nini yake mbele that. Ini ya venye wameandika hapa ni ya unaweza mince nayo nyama to mince some meat. We'll check tuangalie. Alafu now this one unakuja hapa. You see? This one. So hapo anasema plastic jar blender 3 in 1, 1.75 liters, 500 watts, 2 speed with pulse, 4 resistant stainless steel blades, easy to use and clean, free meal grinder for coffee and spices. Haya. So grinder ndio huyu hapa. Yeah. So hii ni kitu ameandika. Hii ni kata, unaona, stainless steel sabri kata. Nasema sabri kata. So that's the work of this one, but I want to use this one to blend some fruits. So I think maybe nitaonyesha. Let's do it. Venye nafanya kazi, but I have to prep them. First I wash, then I prep. So tuonane na nini baadaye after I've cleaned the trunk. So I want us to blend the fruits. I want us to blend. Tuone venye ambavyo inafanya kazi. Iko sawa. Blend iko sawa. So I want to close this video by also doing a mini another. I came across some clothes at Durapoa. They were going for 50 shillings. So I got these pants, the first one. A top. This top. Another pant. This nasema ni top stroke mini sweater dress like that. A t-shirt ingine. Another t-shirt. Alafu jacket. Ilinifurahisha nikasema nichukue. This one was only 50 Kenya shillings. That's everything that I got from Durapoa. So see you on the next one. Bye.